Manufacturing innovation realizes digital transformation. Creating innovative software solutions for your specific industry with the right technology. That is what drives us. With our industry know-how and strong partnerships, we have developed best-in-class products that drive real impact in performance and efficiency of your production processes. So, are you ready to take a leap forward on your path to innovation? Now, we bring our proven products together under one name with a unified look and feel. Siemens Opcenter. Siemens Opcenter enables smarter manufacturing. It is the natural result of our focused mission, giving access to all long-trusted software products with the capabilities to match your industry-specific needs. A smarter user interface for easier access from anywhere. And of course, cloud ready. As an existing customer, you can benefit from our investments in the development of the Siemens Opcenter solution effortlessly. So, wherever you are on your digital transformation journey, welcome to the smarter way of manufacturing. Welcome to Siemens Opcenter.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.